Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how to fix Safari not working or crashing on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any time. Before start this video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen. There are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number 1 is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. So please connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now we're applying the solution number 2. The solution number 2 is check the latest app update. Simply go to the App Store. You can see appears on screen. Search here Safari. You can see appears on screen. This application has latest update. If you have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 3. The solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, slide to power off, restart your iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 4. The solution number 4 is reset network settings. Simply go to the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Again scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter screen time passcode. Reset network setting and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we plan the solution number 5. The solution number 5 is check the iOS update. Simply go to the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen this iPhone has iOS 18 update. If you have any pending update, please download and install. Make sure you are using iOS 18 and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 6. The solution number 6 is reset all settings. Simply go to the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Again scroll up, transfer or reset. Tap on reset all settings. Enter passcode. Now enter screen time passcode. Reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Safari not working or crashing on your iPhone in iOS 18 update fix. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.